Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Reta Ayu Saputri. I'm from PAP IUP 2018. I would like to tell you about the method of inductive. And the method of inductive, there are 10 of the method, and I would like to tell you and mention for you. The first is learning cooperative. Learning cooperative is number hit together, cooperative script, team assisted individualization, team accelerate instruction, to stay to string, cooperative integrate reading and composition, and recipe scroll teaching. And number 2 is learning in pairs. Think pairs here, make a match, peer review writing text, recipe scroll teaching, dialogue pairs. And number 3 is learning peer tutoring. And number 4 is learning brainstorming. Learning brainstorming is idea shower, modular brainstorming, pass the head, idea mixer, brain burst, and idea pool. And number 5 is Socrates minor methods. And number 6 is inductive learning. And number 7 is game method, talking stitch and talking doll, beach ball, snowball throwing, tari bamboo. And number 8 is learning methods with paper and pencil, course preview hooray and tag and give. And number 9 is learning mind mapping, and number 10 is problem solving. There are 10 of the method, and I would like just one to tell, and I would like to tell you. Let's go. Learning is strategy of the teacher to teach the student. So I would like to tell you about pembelajaran kooperatif or learning cooperative. Number 1 is number head together. Number head together is learning model that emphasize student activities in searching, processing, and reporting information from various sources which are finally presented to the class. So, teacher will just number head together if like teacher give the materials of the student and student will presentation in our class. Number 2 is cooperative script. Cooperative scripts learning is learning that regulates student interaction such as illustration of student social life with the air environment as individuals, within families, communities group, and the wider community. Other experts say that cooperative scripts learning model is a learning model where students work in pairs and alternately verbally summarize the parts of the materials being studied. So the cooperative script learning model is the delivery of teaching material that begins with the provision of discourse or a summary of teaching. Summary of teaching materials to students who are then given the opportunity for students to read it for a moment and provide or insert ideas or new ideas into teaching materials provided by the teacher. Then student directs to show the main ideas they are include the exchange material alternative between each other partner. So we need to partner to do this learning, so we can get the main of the idea for the material. And number 3 is team assisted individualization. Type of cooperative learning model is cooperative learning, in which students are divided into heterogeneous small groups. One important point that must be considered from heterogeneous group here is the academic ability of students. Each group can consist of 4 up to 5 students. Below group members are responsibility. So the 4 of the 5 group can the responsibility of the learning material about that. 3 is team accelerated instruction. Team accelerated instruction, a cooperative learning model, is a student-centered learning strategy. In this cooperative learning model, students usually learn to use worksheets or student worksheets in the group. They then discuss to find or understand concepts. Each group member can work one of problem question as a form of shared responsibility. The application of the term of responsibility assisted individualization cooperative learning model places more emphasis on group respect, individual actionability, and equal opportunity to share results from each group member. The team accelerates instruction type cooperative learning model is a student-centered learning strategy. According to Robert Selvin, team-assisted individualization is a pedagogical program that seeks to adapt learning to individual student difference academically. So each other group can share about the difference academically. And the application of the assistant individualization cooperative learning model place more emphasis on group respect, individual accessibility, and equal opportunity to share results for each group member. And number is to stay to three. To stay to three method is one of the cooperative learning models that provides opportunities for groups to share results and information with other groups. This is done because many teaching and learning activities are collaged with individual activities. And F is cooperative integrate reading and composition is each student is responsibility is for group assignment. Each group member is used idea to understand a concept and complete a test. So that forms understanding and a long learning experience, this learning model continues to experience growth from the elementary school level to elementary school. This learning process educates students to interact socially with the environment. So students can learning with this process educates students to interact social with the environment. So students can interactions with the social environment. And number last but not least is receptual teaching. Receptual teaching is a method of the cooperative learning with the discussions model and provides opportunity models and provide opportunities for student thinking process by assessing learning experience. According to Nor and Wikandri in 2000, receptual teaching is an approach to teaching students about learning strategies. According to Arenda, receptual teaching is a teaching procedure approach designed to teach students about the independent understanding strategies and to help students understand reading well. So, I'm finished to tell you about the method. All method is good for teacher, but other teacher can choose one of the methods who she thinks she is the better for the student, because there are so many students can be use one method. Teaching is always good and teacher is always good. When the teacher and the teach good response, the student will be a good person that can the proud of the college or the school to make it proud the school. And the last, if just that I would like to tell about you, if there's so many that, I would like to say I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.